Hello and welcome to this demo on installing and setting up a telemetry pipeline. In this demo, you will be creating your first telemetry pipeline and deploying it on a Kubernetes cluster. Are you ready? Let us get started. Creating a telemetry pipeline is easy. The Get Started on Kubernetes tile helps you deploy pipelines on top of existing Kubernetes clusters. Next, provide a name for your core instance. A core instance is required to register a Kubernetes cluster and associate it with a pipeline. Core instance definitions can also take tags. Tags are useful to distinguish between multiple core instances. Once a core instance has been created, it must now be deployed on a Kubernetes cluster. Let us use Helm to perform this installation. The copy icon allows you to copy the install commands and use them. Next, deploy the core instance by pasting the deploy command onto a terminal that is connected to the Kubernetes cluster. Like so. You can verify the status of the installation by switching over to the Telemetry Pipeline UI. Looks like this instance has been deployed successfully. Thank you for watching this demo. Have a nice day.